In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a huddle in Slack. We'll start a quick huddle so you can see where everything lives, walk through a few helpful controls, and then finish by cleanly ending the huddle. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. You can also use the desktop app if you prefer. The interface is nearly identical. Once Slack loads, choose the channel or direct message where you want to work. Click into it so the conversation opens on the right. Huddles can happen in any channel or DM, so pick the place where your team is collaborating. Now look to the top right of the conversation window and click Start a Huddle. That turns on the lightweight audio room for this space and reveals the huddle controls. You'll see options for your microphone and speakers, and you may notice a small huddle panel appear near the bottom. If the panel is minimized, click it to expand the huddle so you can see all the tools clearly. Inside the huddle, you can share your screen when you need to walk teammates through a design, a dashboard, or a document. Click the screen share icon and choose the window or entire screen you want to show. A quick tip, share only the specific window you need to keep things focused and protect anything you don't want visible. If you want to speak next without interrupting, use the hand raise option. This is a simple way to signal that you have a point to make, and it helps keep the conversation orderly when multiple people are participating. Lower your hand when you're done so others know the floor is free. You can also open the thread for this huddle to keep notes, paste links, or drop follow-up items while you talk. The thread runs alongside the audio, which means you won't lose key details or action items. It's especially useful for capturing decisions in the moment. When you're ready to end the huddle, click Leave. If you're the last person in the huddle, that action ends it for the space. You'll know it's closed when the huddle indicator disappears from the header. If you leave by mistake, just rejoin by clicking the huddle icon again while it's still active. That's it. Go to Slack, open your channel or DM, start a huddle, use screen share, raise your hand when needed, keep notes in the thread, and when you're done, click Leave to end it. Thanks for watching and happy huddling.